Hey everybody. Now this is actually, you know, it's my intro video. It's basically me already done it, but I went all the way up there in that balloon. I wrote it and I was scared very much. Let me take my hat off. I was just sweating bullets. Of course, it's hot today. But I did it. This is basically the intro to the video. And you're going to see it. And hopefully I filmed it correctly, because I was scared. So if I didn't film it correctly, that means I'm going to have to do it again, which I'm not looking forward to. But I think I got it. Alright. Enjoy this video of a adult man almost crying on that thing. Alright. Let's get going.
Sure we said we were going? Here, take her ID. You go ahead and get a line. I'll wait.
Oh, can you see me bring it? I thought you said bring it down or just leave it?
I thought this was big.
Tell mom, smile. Dile, ríete mamá.
I will remind you. I understand, it's fine. Yeah.
How many? 4? Okay. Before you go to that first white line, face your first photo. Get up just one moment.
I just did. I broke it again.
Let's go to my girl. She went heavy walking behind her busted.
It don't look busted though.
Apparently they are busted. It's busted.
My nails are weak. Relax.
I take the picture first so you guys. Okay. What? And if you guys want to take a picture, you go to that. All right. 1, 2, and
Okay, thanks. Cool that thing looks. That thing's huge. Why that thing's big.
Oh, thank you.
boy, just say no.
Okay.
Oh my, a little nervous.
Alright, you guys are gonna hold right here. You guys are gonna go back to the umbrella. You'll be on the next flight, not you.
Oh, I can go?
You guys are gonna be on
Thanks.
the next flight. You go back to the you guys be careful. You guys get in, just spread out as best you can so the weight doesn't go to one side. You guys wanna come closer to me? You wanna be as spread out as you can so the weight is spread out evenly. Keep safe. It makes you feel weak, but it's a heavy door. This is good. Sun's probably gonna come out. Yeah. But I was crazy low. Thank you. Now guys, hang on to the rail in front or behind you. As we go up, you will feel motion. It's happening. We signed a waiver. Alright. We're gonna have 3 more bumps as we go higher. That is us changing gears to go to a higher speed. I will let you guys know everything as it happens, just to give you guys a heads up, alright? Now guys, here comes the first solid bump. Coming about here. A smaller one coming up. And now a good little tug coming up now. If you guys could, and if you want, you guys can look straight down. You will see a compass. Now north is Orlando I Drive. South is Kissimmee, Old Town 192. West would be Disney. This is how it's gonna
Quite
feel
up.
as we go up. I'll let you guys know when we're halfway and all the way up. Please feel free to take photos. It's been a little windy. We've been rocking around a little bit. Just a heads up.
pretty high up there, definitely. I won't lie. I am.
Yeah, Epcot's the closest one. That's the first one you're gonna see.
Can't creep
We're
out.
about halfway up. There's the green triangle to the left. That's the Swan and Dolphin. Keep going left. You'll see Everest and then the Tower of Terror.
Okay. Oh, I am kind of creeped out. Definitely go way up there, all right. Okay.
So guys, here comes a stop. You're gonna have a little tug.
Okay.
We'll be here for a couple of minutes and we'll be moving because of the wind, guys. Just a heads up.
So, how long have you been doing this job?
What do you want to hear?
Positive
4
questions.
years. 4 years.
Okay.
But you don't want to hear someone say 4 days.
Or 4 minutes, or your
First day.
or yeah, or your first time going up here. No, I wouldn't want to hear that.
No. Years. You want to hear years? 4 years.
Oh, look at that lagoon down there. Nice. I'm sorry, but I'm not going to be going around too much because I am very nervous right now. I can see way down there. Wow. The whole place looks really tiny. So how long does it take to train for a job like this?
You start from the bottom, so we start with photos, then you just earn your way up. And it's a niche job, it's not really, you know what I mean?
Yeah. You ever have any celebrities come up here with you?
Not with me. Not that I know of.
Turn you around for a minute. Hey, I was gonna take my picture on here, but I'm gonna have to wait until we get down more. Because I am very scared right now. I won't lie. I am creeped out.
Magic Kingdom, pero no se mira muy bien, está muy lejos.
I very much regret doing this. When we get closer to the ground, I'll take my picture, hopefully. Okay, let's go back. Should I show you what I'm looking at? There's Epcot way down there.
Yeah, and fill me up with some fresh regular Alrighty guys, we're coming down. You're
thank
gonna have
God.
a little tug.
¿Alguna otra atracción que nos recomienda?
Aquí no hay mucho, nomás comida y
Down.
comprando cosas. Pero si quieren el barco, la lancha es gratis.
Almost there.
Es
Okay,
grande,
so that's the
no hay nada más.
the orange garage.
We have a theater,
it looks very tiny.
not a lot, man. You're in the wrong.
the only thing holding us to the ground. Geez, whoever rented this thing, I'm gonna tell him off if I ever see him. Almost there.
So we're gonna stop here, it's gonna move, then we're gonna come down slow. Alright, Betsy.
Wow. Definitely weave back and forth. You go way up there. You definitely know your feet's no longer on the earth.
You had a good day?
Show you what it looks like above. It's right below us. Try to take that picture. I'm sweating bullets. I'm shaking too.
Hey, with all the kids, what's the next group after the 9? 10 is the next group.
So I gotta take a better picture.
No, I don't want to close and... No, I'll just leave it there.
See if I can do both. Okay, that's good enough. I definitely do not want to be.
Dan, you said do it?
Okay. Ooh, this is scary. A little tricky.
Here comes some bumps, guys.
Wow.
Now behind me there are 2 doors. Either door is fine. Just watch your step. We are on wheels.
That was something. And that was really creepy. I'm never doing this again. Unless you pay me a lot of money. Ooh. I feel myself walking out. I'm totally going around it.
So get your recording, but be careful with your steps. You're gonna lose your balance.
I hope they pay you a lot of money for this.
That's never enough.
Yeah.
There's always a complaint.
Yeah. That was cool, but scary. Never doing that again. Thank you. See the big balloon behind me. Ooh. Okay, let me show you what it looks like in front now.
Alright. 1, 2, and 3. You guys are good?
That's what it looks like.
Okay, 1, 2, we go to that white line, face me very quick photo.
You guys want to see the photo? So you you have the photo in the frame, on the back side, there's 4 wallets and 2 keychains. The whole package is $25, or just the photo in the frame is $20.
Yes. Cool. Oops. I'm gonna stop recording for a minute because I need to get money out. Well, I'm just waiting for the photos. That scared the hell out of me. I won't lie. That is, you probably can't see me too well with the sun, but I'll let you see up here so you can see it go up there. That was really creepy. I've been up at high places before. I don't know. That bothered me. Whew. But it was definitely something I'll always remember. But I don't think I'm ever going to do that again. Unless you pay me a lot of money, somebody. A lot of money. Alright, I'll show you the photos when she comes out with it. Look how that thing sways. Just want to show that in the wind. You certainly noticed that. Wow. Alright, well, I'm back on the ground, and I'm so happy. I almost kissed it. That was scary. Happy I did it, but it'd be very hard for me to have to do that again unless someone paid me a lot of money. Alright, thanks for watching. Hopefully I filmed it correctly. I will not know until I get home. Alright, see you in a minute. Bye. See you later in another video.